Hey everyone, today I have a really quick review here. This is of a odor-proof bag with a combination lock. Though it looks like a little lunchbox, its specialty is to contain odorous products, maybe like medicinal herbs or if you smoke. Right out of the packaging you see there's a simple card here that shows you how to set your own combination, which I'll show you in just a minute. But first, a quick overview of the compartments that are available here. On the front, you have this very flat mesh compartment, zippered, and then you have this padded handle on the vertical side. But that's it for the exterior in terms of compartments and handles. Moving on to the main compartment, which is dual zippered, and you can see where they would lock into place if you were to set the combo lock. So opening that up, you can see the first compartment on the very left is another mesh zipper compartment, similar to the one found on the outside. And then the divider here has mesh compartments that are non-zippered, and then they have two elastic bands to hold additional items there to strap it down. Flipping that on over is the main bulk of the compartment. You can see there are Velcro dividers that are removable, and they are all lined with carbon, so that's the main element here that helps to absorb smells. And as an added bonus, they give you 5 of these test tube like clear containers that you just need to squeeze to pop open the lids. You can imagine what you could probably use that to, fill up some pills or whatnot. And now moving on to this 3-digit turn dial style combo lock. Of course, by default, it's set at 000. So all you have to do is put the zippers into the 2 grooves right there, and you'll hear a little click in place. And then you change the dials to, of course, prevent anybody from opening it. And then of course you put it back to the original combo to pull this lever or switch right here, and then it will release the zippers like so. And now to change to your own desired combination, all you have to do is while it is open, pull that lever and then switch to the combination that you want. Once you release that switch or lever, then that's your new combo right there. You can see now I'm able to do the same thing as I did before and put in the zippers into their appropriate slots. So that's all there is to that combo lock. And now to give you the dimensions of this box in case you all are wondering. So starting with the height of it, it is approximately 6 inches. Width is approximately 8.5 inches, and then height is about 3.5 inches. Now these are exterior dimensions, so that just means the footprint for those of you who are interested in how much the capacity interior wise. So ignoring pretty much the divider and the mesh compartment as is with nothing else in there, the main largest compartment here is about 3 inches in depth, and then across inside is about 7.5, and then the height is just under 6 inches. So I would say take off about maybe half an inch for the interior dimensions, and of course it's going to vary in terms of the depth based on what other items you put in the other slots. But that's really all there is to this bag. The carbon lining definitely does help eliminate odors from putting the medicinal herbs that I've used it for. And of course, you can use it for other things as well. The combo lock, while not a super rigorous means of protecting your stuff, is a good deterrent and definitely something that will child-proof this bag. So if you're interested in picking this up, as usual, I have the product link in the description.